Alright guys, so we are pretty much wrapping everything up. We're able to get whatever we actually can salvage, otherwise everything's going away. But sad to say, we're gonna have to be away from this place for quite some time, most likely over a year. Really appreciate you guys all watching. Appreciate all the support. You guys are amazing. Keep praying for us. We're gonna keep praying for you. You guys are amazing. God bless. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. Today we got another video. Finally, we are back on the 2008 Audi A4 wagon. We got little Zeke over here. Come here. He's ready to help out. He's been a wonderful little guy, playing with everybody, enjoying the time. But as you guys can see, I already went ahead and removed this door. It was damaged. I'll show it to you guys right here. I just took it off. I got the replacement door right over here, and had to order, of course, all the new windows for it because it was smashed in. Looks like the color matches up perfect. It just has a couple dings, like one right here, you can tell one little imperfection, then the ones right there, and just the color is faded itself. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go ahead and respray pretty much the whole car, guys. You know, last time when I was working on it, it looked all right, but as you guys can see, this nice tornado left us some big gouges, even in the roof right here, just everywhere. So I'm probably going to be sanding the whole thing down, most likely. Just even up here on the top of the roof, you guys can see it got smashed. Have not found the windshield yet, but I found somebody that can do it around here, so I'm gonna have to just contact them. Hopefully we'll get a hold of them. But ordered a new window for the driver's side front, driver rear, and I have not found this one yet. Probably gonna have to special order it or something like that. If you guys know where I could find this one, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna be taping this up and driving like that. I really don't want to do that because, you know, it comes with these little heaters and everything right there, right here as well. So gotta make sure you get the right one. You know, the regular A4s, they come with one, but it's a different shape. So this one's a lot longer. You guys can see the shape is a little bit different. And also for the driver's side rear, the window is different because the whole frame of this rear door is different from the regular A4. So we had to find it and source it. And I was able to find someone up in Knoxville, and they were very nice, and were able to send actually the two windows straight to one of my buddy's shops, and free of charge. So that was really amazing. Thank you so much. And if you're watching this video, I want to give you a huge shout out. I really appreciate you, brother. Really amazing guy. Thank you so much. I was able to find it on car-parts.com. It was wonderful. So let's go ahead and start tearing this door apart and hopefully assembling the new one. So this is the old door. As you guys remember, it was damaged right there on the corners. So went ahead and found a new one. Gonna go ahead and just swap the whole thing out. Gotta gut this one. Gotta take this whole little window frame out. Have it ready for whenever the two windows come in. Should be in about like a day. So it's perfect. Let's go ahead and tear this one apart. Alright guys, you already know I'm out here searching for tools because working on a Volkswagen or Audi is a little bit hard. So I had to find this one right here. It's a triple square bit socket. Had to find this, was able to find it in order tools. So guys, check this out right here. This is a really nice Jaguar. I believe it's a 2019. This thing is so clean, all white with black accents and a red interior. This thing looks gorgeous. Check it out. You know, maybe you should play one of these, huh? What do you guys think? This thing looks so nice. I think it's the F-Type. Yep. This thing's gorgeous. It's like a firefighter owns it, but here's one of these. This thing is nice as well, but we're gonna head to the house because we gotta put two new windows in. Actually just came in, so this is perfect. Hopefully we're gonna put them on, and hopefully we can drive it. I just made it back, and I was able to actually use this one over here. There we go. And it worked perfectly fine for the lock itself. And here I went ahead and already installed the whole back end piece, the inner piece. So really happy. It's looking great. Now all I gotta do is mount it on the car, and then we should be ready to go. This is obviously gonna go to scrap. Maybe just save these little pins just in case if I need it for somewhere else. But then we're gonna go ahead and move on to this one right here, which this one is gonna be for the driver door. Gonna have to tear it apart as well, and still clean out all the glass that is all the way around. I did have a replacement for this one, so there's that one. It's perfect. And as soon as I attach this one back on, I'm gonna start taking this one apart. There's still a little bit of glass right there, as you guys can see. And so let's go ahead and put this one on. Sadly, I couldn't find this one right here. It's so hard to find this one. It's just different size for the wagon itself, so I'm gonna have to keep searching and digging. Hopefully we'll come across, but let's go ahead and install this door right there, and make this looking like a complete car. So I've been working really hard and really quick with my brother. Really appreciate all his help, but check it out, guys. All the glass is finally in, obviously except this last one right here, but if you're able to get the driver one in, goes up and down perfectly. This one needs a little bit more adjustment. Still gotta maybe clear out and just maybe make sure this is all nice and clean, because it wants to hesitate when it goes up and down. But this one just taped it down, put a cardboard in the back just for the time being. It's just so hard to find those. You gotta like special order, because you can't cut them out like other windows from other vehicles. You can't just cut it out and put it on a new one, because those are heat sensors that go all the way around. Let's see if I can maybe show you on the other side, because you cut them out, it pretty much ruins the whole platform for it. See these little right here, little heat sinks, that actually warms the whole back up. So it sucks that I can't do that, but it's all right. You know, I'm just happy that I'm finally got this thing out on the road, guys, to survive the tornado. You know, it's gonna keep on going. I'm gonna have to have pretty much the whole paint job, because you know, we already changed the whole pieces of the body that were damaged, but now from the tornado we got new damage. Like right here, this is a pretty big dent. I don't think it's yeah, there you go. Gonna have to hit that out, make sure it's nice and flat. This roof over here, that's gonna be a little bit of work to do. I'm happy that this is my brother's. He gave it to me to put some storage up here, and I'm guessing this definitely protected my roof, because it would have smashed the whole sunroof and everything. So that would have been definitely really bad. That would be a lot more damage than I would want to work with. Plus, you know, right here got a nice little hit right there, and this little quarter panel on the back. And when we already had, like, I think right here only to work on, but now we got to do here on the back and up top. So pretty much this whole thing is going to get a paint job. Like before, I was planning on, you know, painting this door and that one and the front bumper and hood. Now the whole car is going to get a whole paint job, so no worries, it's all right. You know, keep moving along, you know, keeping strong and praising God that he protected us and that we're, you know, alive and safe. That's what really matters. So really happy that just finally everything is slowing down, everything is cooling off, and you know, people are figuring things out about their insurances, things like that. But just really happy that, you know, slowly figuring out what I'm going to do with my schooling, my work, and, you know, getting my vehicle back on the road. That's a big plus. Really happy about that. So really appreciate all those people that are still supporting us, that are bringing the food, and, you know, all these churches that have like a bunch of stands where they give out meals and everything. That you guys are amazing. God bless you. And you know, we couldn't do it without you guys. You're amazing. So keep staying tuned. Probably going to be working on this thing a lot more. We do have 3 more bills that are going to be coming in very soon. One's already purchased. It will be on the way very soon. I can't tell you yet. It's a surprise. It's for my broski. Really excited for him. So we're going to have to work on this one, obviously. Get it prepped up. Get it painted, because all the other vehicles are coming, and this is probably going to be slowly lagging behind, of course, like always, like every single build. You know, me waiting on mine, but this one hopefully we'll get moving faster than the other times. But like I said, the Genesis, we did send it out to the Copart, the auction, so hopefully we'll make some money off of it. If we don't, I'll be just happy to break even. So hopefully with that money, I'll be able to go ahead and fix this thing up, paint it, restore it, make it like new. But I'm slowly looking to maybe even purchase a truck, you know, with all these crazy trees down and everything. Like, this is like the perfect time to actually have something they can you know, haul around. So who knows, maybe there'll be a truck build coming up real soon. But stay tuned, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the support. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get post notifications of other builds to come, and you know, view this Tennessee life that we are living right now in this crazy crisis, that coronavirus, you know, going on, and this tornado hit 2020 right before my birthday. You know, this is 2 days after my birthday. My birthday was April 22nd, and you know, hey, didn't get to really spend it, you know, enjoying opening presents, but that's not what it's all about. I was able to spend time with my family, and that's all that mattered to me. I was just happy that I'm still alive and pushing forward, and happy that everybody in my family is still alive, and I'm really appreciate all you guys' support. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.